Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I will show you how you can pair XIAOMI AirDots 2 to this smartphone. So at the first we have to open charging case of our AirDots, and as you can see the indicator is not blinking, so we have to click and hold both earbuds, and after a few moments they blinking, so it means that they are in the pairing mode. So we have to open the Bluetooth on our smartphone, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Take a look on the available devices list and tap on Redmi AirDots 2. Click to pair, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. As you can see, it was very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.